Hello guys, welcome to Technology World. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain how to blink LED with Nodemcu. Let's go to the tutorial. For the circuit diagram, connect the LED to breadboard. After that, connect the 1K resistor to LED anode pin. By using male to female jumper wire, connect the LED anode pin to pin number D0 at Nodemcu board. Then connect LED cathode pin to ground pin of the Nodemcu that will give power for the LED. Finally, the circuit diagram is done. For the coding, I am going to open Arduino IDE. Go to File and go to Preference. See Ticks column. Ticks is our Arduino preference. If want to install any boards like ESP, not MCU, we must add preference link. For that, I am go to our Pro Creators website. Scroll down. Here got not MCU. Click that. Scroll down again. Here out project got. Click it. Here I already gave preference link. Copy this preference link and paste at Arduino preference like ticks. Go to Arduino IDE. Paste it. After paste, click OK. Then go to Tools and choose Board and click Board Manager. Return to website. Copy the board name. Paste it. Add search box and search it. I already installed it. That's why it show like ticks. If not install it, please install that board. Click close. Let's start the coding section. Delete the command line. Then include LED. As define D0. That means the LED is connected in pin D0 at not MCU. Make some pin mode for the LED. LED as output. Now time to make loop code. Digital red LED become high. High means the Arduino is turned on the LED, but for the Node MCU, it's turned off the LED. Make some delay code. Delay 1000 millisecond. That means the LED is wait for 1 second. Digital red LED become low. That means the LED is turned on. Make some delay code. Finally, our code is finished. For save the code, I click tick button. Choose library and click documents. Then save code as notmcu.blink. Wait for few seconds. After save, it will show done compiling. Connect your NodeMCU board to laptop. Go to Tool, click Board and choose NodeMCU 0.9 board. Once again, click Tool and select your USB port. My USB port is COM5. Let's upload the code. It's uploading. After upload, it will show done uploading. Finally, our project is done.